Hello, my name is Katie from PinayNomad.com. If you're looking from the outside, the fast-paced fashion industry appears to be glitz and glam. There's always a new trend to jump on every day, and that means store shelves are regularly being restocked with plenty of interesting new looks. Just like this store at Forever 21. Unfortunately, it's not so shiny behind the scenes. By keeping an eye on what you wear and the environment, learning how to upcycle clothes allows you to showcase your style and keep up with the latest trends without hurting the planet. Upcycling creatively transforms the clothes you already own to cut down on waste. It's nothing new, but there's no better time to start doing it yourself, with global warming threatening the future. Creating a more sustainable closet requires a little more than a few pieces of clothing you already own. An old pair of jeans can be quickly transformed or updated with a little imagination. Those dresses you haven't worn in years are just begging to be transformed into new skirts. A little creativity can revive your old wardrobe. You can just embroider like small designs on your jeans or whatever. Upcycling your clothing benefits the earth and your wallet. Just think about how much money you can save when you DIY your latest style obsessions. Plus, you can't beat a craft night when it comes to relieving some suppressed stress. I know this because I use arts and crafts to get over my PTSD and fight my clinical depression. So when you're ready to give your closet a makeover, start with this upcycled clothing idea I prepared for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Wear the oversized shirt you want to upcycle and decide how short you want it to be. For this one, I want it to be a crop top. Then lay it flat on the floor. Then draw small lines with a Sharpie. Get a pair of scissors, then chop it off. I also trimmed the sleeve lines to fit me better. Using a sewing machine, I use a simple straight stitch to sew the two side seams. Start from bottom and go up to the armpits, then follow on around the arms. Just go right to the end of the sleeve, then you can shorten that later. Step 5, take a break and give some love to your pet cat. Once your cat is happy and satisfied, go back to your DIY project. And finally, try it on and see if you like the fit. That's about it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it inspires you to upcycle. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video.